So in this example, I'm going to explain about a simple JSP code. And here you see you have a header and then what we call scriptlets. These are called scriptlets. These connotations where you put inside Java code. And scriptlets are basically used to embed Java code within the HTML content. And inside the scriptlet I have defined string message. So this is a Java syntax. This is also Java syntax. So this is how you embed Java code inside a HTML code, and this together forms a JSP file. And here I just print a message, and this string is printed here, outputted here, and then here I get the current date, and then the current date is printed out here. So that's all this code will do, and it's here, it's displayed here. So when I say right click run as and run on server, and I click the Tomcat server and then select the project and then run, then you will see this page is getting updated, and then you will get the date and time. So this is what is one example. Here you see the current date and the current time as per my location. This is being read from my computer's laptop's data, and then it's being printed out as Friday. And this is one example. So this is another example. Here I'm showing a Java code inside the scriptlet. So what it does is you are declaring a method. So this is a method. You have a string as a return value. This is the method name, and you pass a string as input, and it returns hello plus that name. And I call that from another location, that is string message. I'm calling this function saying Tom, and Tom goes here as the name, and then hello name will be returned in the message, and this message is being printed here, and that's what you see here. The running part is the same. When you say run as, run on the server, and select thing and then finish, and then you can get the name. So if I say it's like Tom and Jerry, so this should get updated once you save it, and then you just have to refresh this, and you see the code is getting compiled and or interpreted, and then you see the results here. So this is how you put a Java code inside a Java method inside the HTML, which will be interpreted as JSP, and you see the results here, and the structure you can see it here like on the right side of the outline. So this is another example where I'm going to show you how you can link different files in JSP. That is, you have here header and footer, two JSP files which are linked into the intro file. So we include JSP pages header.jsp and footer.jsp with the include syntax here. This is how you put with this include file header.jsp, and then I have a header tag, and then include another file footer.jsp. This includes valid HTML files. This example is a showcase for how JSP you can use to linking different files, and you should put the two files here. So I call the footer and paste copy my website, this some content, HTML content, and header I just put some HTML tags here with my website and some links. So when I now run it, so these two header files will be accessed, and you will get this result. So when I just say run as on the server, and then you select the Tomcat server and press this, then you will see this result here. So this is the header part of the file, and this is the footer part of the file, and this is how you link two JSP files in another main JSP. So from the main JSP you can, so it is a bit of a modular way of programming. You can include many, as the project grows bigger, you can include a lot of files, and different people can work on different files, and this is how you link many files in JSP.